Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Mathemagix JEE. In today's video, we are going to discuss an important integral that you should remember to solve the questions easily. Or rather, I would say that it is the ratio of two integrals that you should remember for speed solving. Let us see what is that integral. So the integral is I of r comma n is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus x to the power r whole to the power n dx. If I r comma n is this, then you should remember that I of r comma n divided by I of r comma n plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by r into n plus 1. You have to remember this formula. Now, how will you derive this formula? The derivation is simple. You can take I of r comma n plus 1 divided by I r comma n. This ratio you can calculate. This ratio will become 0 to 1 integral 1 minus x to the power r whole to the power n plus 1 dx divided by integral 0 to 1 minus x to the power r whole to the power n dx. Now, if you apply pi parts in this integral, the upper integral, by taking 1 as the second function and this as the first function, you will eventually reach this formula. So, you have to apply pi parts here. So, this is a very important relation. Direct questions in JEE Main have been asked on this relation almost every year. Here, you can see these two integrals are nothing but this is I of n comma 2n and this is I of n comma 2n plus 1. So if we rearrange this, it becomes I of n comma 2n divided by I of n comma 2n plus 1 is equal to 1177 divided by n into 2n plus 1. And as we discussed, this ratio will be simply 1 plus 1 divided by the product of these two. So n into 2n plus 1 is equal to 1177 divided by n into 2n plus 1. So that means 1176 by n into 2n plus 1 is equal to 1. And if you rearrange these terms, you will get a quadratic equation. From there, you can get the positive value of n. As n belongs to the set of natural numbers, n will be equal to 24. So you can see how you can easily handle this type of questions under 1 minute if you know this direct relation. Let us proceed with the next question. Here it was asked in JEE Main 2020. It is also of the same flavor. This is I1, which is I of 50, 100. And this is I2, so this is I of 50, 100 and 1. This will be equal to 1 plus 1 over 50 into 101, so 5050. So this will be 50 51 divided by 50 50. Now this is equal to I1 by I2. So I2 will be 50 50 divided by 50 51 times I1. That means the value of alpha comes out to be this. So option 2 is the correct option for this question. You can see how easily we handle such type of questions. Now here is a direct question again in JEE Main 2024. The value of k belongs to the set of natural numbers for which the integral this satisfies this. So from here you can see again that I of 20 divided by I of 21 will be simply I of k comma 20 divided by I of k comma 21. So this we can tell easily 1 by 21k plus 1. This is equal to, as given in the question, 148 divided by 147. So from here you can calculate that 121k is equal to 1 over 147. That means k will be equal to 7. So option 4 is the correct option. You can see how fast we solve such type of questions. Now this is a task for you guys. You have to attempt this question and post in the comments the answer. Subscribe to our channel for more short tricks like this.